welcome to Starbucks. What number whenever you're ready.
I had a mobile order for Jeremy. Good morning, welcome to the last day of school. Why? Woo! That was weird. Like, who does? I also got my coffee. It is Wednesday, so it's not like it's a Friday, but so I have a lot of stuff packed up. And we're lucky enough that I can leave the stuff on the walls, and I don't have to worry about, I don't have to take all that down. Like, we would if they were painting, but they're not going to be painting this year, I don't think. That was my understanding anyways. So I'm lucky in that sense. I can leave all that stuff up. I've just been kind of filling our cubbies and filling the top of the cubbies with things. I have a couple things I need to go through, and then some of the bookshelves will stay in place, like the ones on that side, because they're full of books, and they usually just clean around them. So this stuff on this side, that's attached to the wall. That you're not going to be moving, the big metal cabinet. So, okay, so that was super awkward and funny. A lot of people here know I vlog, and I have a YouTube channel. A lot of them know I have TikTok, but not everybody knows. And I still felt super awkward vlogging, and it's just a thing that I have. So the teacher next door walked in, she had borrowed some of my binders for like intervention stuff for first grade. And then, cause like she has second grade, she's a second grade teacher, but she had some students that were a little lower, so they were working on first grade skills. I was sitting here talking, and then I heard the door open. So I like stuck my camera down, and then it probably just looks super awkward because I'm just standing here. I'm actually doing a pizza party. It was one of our paras that is a full-time para in my room. And so she wanted to do a pizza party for my class. So she went down and ordered all the pizzas. She also got us a bunch of treats. And yeah, and then we'll watch a movie. This morning what we'll do, get the rest of the desk cleaned out. We cleaned out desks yesterday, but some people did not follow the directions like I told them to. So they were supposed to take everything home, and I'm looking in desks right now and I'm still seeing stuff. And then I'll get all the name tags and stuff taken off the desks. I need to get my books put away. I just have a lot of little things to do, so that's what I'll be doing this morning, getting stuff put away. It is an early release day, so kids are out of here at 12:30. We're done, I think, as soon as our checklist is done. So I just have a few things, like I said, I just have a few things I need to get picked up. So let's do this. It's the end of the day, I guess. All the kids are gone. I have a few things I need to get done. There's not a lot I need to do. But yeah, other than that, we're all done. It's kind of crazy, especially looking at my room right now. There's a couple things, like there's a couple boxes of books I need to get picked up and put those. I think I'm gonna put those on the rolling cart so that way they can roll it around. All the chairs are picked up. I need to unplug my refrigerator, and I have that thing down there I need to get put up onto the counter up here. Yeah, other than that, I mean, I think everything is done. And everything is on my checklist is done, so I've gone through the checklist, got it all checked off. I was going through, and I was gonna do it, but I might just wait till next year. But I was gonna go through and like take off the kids' names off of their stuff that we had in the room. I did some of it earlier, you guys saw that, but I didn't get it all done. But yeah, I think I'm done, pretty much. So let's do a quick pan of the room so you guys can see it. wasn't going that way because we had like a whole bunch of rain last night and they closed up that road. Summer break, baby, summer break. It's a weird feeling because this was a weird year. And I also know what I'm getting into next year. I'm a little scared about that. It's funny. Okay, so I just thought about this when I was driving on the road, and I don't know if it ever made it into my vlogs. I had filmed some vlogs, but never like edited them. Sorry, I'm saying. But I was driving on this road, and I was actually right in this area. And there's a fence post, there's like fence posts somewhere over here or something. I don't know, but I saw it. The bird comes flying across, smacks into my mirror in my window, and it was like I'm assuming it was a hawk, but I saw it come off the tree and just come right at my car, and it was just like boom, right. It was so scary. It was funny though. I started laughing. So I don't know if it ever made it into a video. So if it didn't, there's a little story for you guys. I haven't told you guys. You follow me on Instagram. You've already seen photos of it and everything. But we got a new dog, and it's kind of a long story of how we got the dog. But I'll try to make it as simple as possible because it is kind of a long story. And it started out as a joke. But one of my students, when we were talking about something, they said they had a French Bulldog. And I've always wanted a French Bulldog. And Rudy and I had this like unwritten agreement that was we would get a third dog if it was a French Bulldog and it was free. Those are our two stipulations. Like otherwise, nope, I'm not paying for a French Bulldog. Those things are expensive. Oh, this student was telling me, oh yeah, we have a French Bulldog. I was like, oh my God, I love a French Bulldog. And this was during Teacher Appreciation Week. So I was like, if you want to give me one for teacher appreciation, I'll take it, it's a joke. Well, it ended up they were going to get rid of their dog because they're getting ready to move and everything. So I still kind of thought, I didn't think it was legit. I mean, the student just kept talking about it, so I didn't think it was like a real thing. I just thought it was like, it's a 9-year-old. Like, I just kind of figured whatever. Well, then the dad contacted me and was like, hey, my child said that, you might be interested in our French Bulldog. So I said, yes, I am. We're looking to sell or rehome because we're really not looking to buy. We really don't need another dog, but I would love to have a French Bulldog. Yeah, no, we're just going to rehome it. And I'm like, okay, yeah, we'll take it. So that's how we end up with a French Bulldog. She is something else. She makes so much noise. It's so funny. So we have a third dog now. So that happened too. And that just happened in the last week. So anyway, I don't know. I rambled on long enough. I hope you guys like what you saw. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button. All that fun stuff. Until next time, don't forget to always be you. Bye.